My experience with making book covers has been pretty much defining my book, and ChatGPT knows all about my book, what it's about, what type of book it is. And then at the very end, I say, generate a book cover for this book. And then I haggle with ChatGPT back and forth about things I don't like that it created, and we eventually work it out. But then I got thinking one day, why don't I ask ChatGPT for a list of all of the configurable things that would define a book cover? And we haggled back and forth, and we came up with the book cover creation super prompt. Here's the idea. You fill out this big, massive prompt that specifies everything you can specify about a book cover and get exactly what you want. What I do is I open it, and you'll see that what the document is it says, you are a book cover designer. Create a commercially effective book cover for this book. And then it goes through these modules that here you identify the book, you give its title, subtitle, the author, series name, book positioning, what type of book it is, nonfiction, memoir, children's. You could put romance, genre would be the romance, target reader, romance readers, detail on the market. Must it work at thumbnail size? I put yes in there. I'm forcing this. Author name prominence. If you want your author name to be prominent, go with high. Otherwise, go low and it'll make it small. Anyway, you go through this entire gigantic multi-page prompt, right? It's 3 pages long, filling in all of these blanks. It even gets down to considerations like, here we go, non-fiction book consideration. Should the book feel practical, premium, beginner-friendly, expert, academic, or transformational? Should a subtitle carry heavy sales weight, yes or no? So you're going to specify the book cover in detail. Then what you do is you click in here, say Control-A to select everything, Control-C, and you go over to where you're working in ChatGPT, and you say paste and enter. Now, I haven't filled in any of the blanks here, so I'm not sure what ChatGPT is going to make of this, but the idea is to fully specify a book. You should also be able to look at an existing book cover and use it to fill out this super prompt to duplicate it. So that's the super prompt. Download a copy, open it up, fill it out, and use it to create a book cover.